Home Depot, guys, you know what that means? There's a design that's in the making. So let's start designing. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to another channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, please go like, subscribe, and share. Thanks in advance. So this is my husband starting the design for me. I'm inside prepping my work area with some Lysol wipes because it's so important to have your area clean, especially when you're going to be working with flowers. Okay, so that's us wiping, well, that's me wiping off my area to start designing. So we'll be using 100 roses for this design. Everything will be fresh. So in the packages that it came in, there's 25 roses per package. So this is one of the packages that I decided to start on. And here goes the prepping, cutting off the elastic that they have around the roses and just taking off the wrap. Now this cardboard wrap, we're going to keep it because we're going to need it to wrap around our bouquet design that we're going to be designing. Okay, so keep that hard cardboard section. If you're going to do this design, it's so important and it saves you money too. And I'm just taking off the outer protective petals, rose petals, and taking the leaves off the stem. So it got a little time consuming, so I went for the big boy, and it just makes taking the stem and the thorns off a lot more safer and quicker. I bought this at the floral shop, but you can probably check Amazon or your local floral shop. And I don't know the name of it, so don't ask. Here it is, guys. It's called a thorn strip or flower stem remover. Ready? So that's info. And this here is a floral tape that I'll be using to attach the wet sponge onto the wood. And let's start designing. Thank you guys for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Love you guys. So to cut my wet and dry foam, I love to use this plastic lettuce knife. I used to use this to cut my lettuce, and this knife is so magical. When you use it to cut your lettuce, it doesn't turn your lettuce black at all. But I don't use it anymore. I use it for my wet and dry foam, and it cuts so perfect. And it's just a hidden gem. So I wanted to share with you guys. You could probably purchase it on Amazon, but I bought it here years ago at Loblaws in Canada. Here we're just applying the floral tape to keep the wet foam in place. And remember the cardboard from the actual floral package? This is it right here. It fits on snug like a glove. And I just have my floral paper that I'll be prepping for my flowers when I'm done. And it's just folding the paper according to the size and the style that I want to use for this floral arrangement. I added some faux grass around the base of my stand just to make it a lot more full and firm. And that's, sorry, the camera's turned the other way. That is a floral arrangement coming along real well. Just adding the roses. Oh, some of the petals came off. This one's not good at all. Oh man. Lucky thing I always buy extra flowers. But yeah, we're just adding the roses to our heart structure. And voila, we're done. Let me know what you think in the comment, guys. Thank you for watching and stay blessed.